Are you hungry for better service and value from your enterprise IT? Well, imagine having dinner at a restaurant run by grocery store managers. The baker brings out the souffle first, when it's done, and the dinner rolls last. Produce delivers your baked potato while your steak is still raw. And is the cold macaroni and cheese a dairy problem or a dry goods issue? They provide everything in a meal, but it's not the service you paid for. IT departments frequently operate like this. They use the old IT by technologies model. Desktops, servers, networks, like grocers with ingredients. They budget tech, think tech, and they talk tech. They're managing technology ingredients while business needs information services that deliver business value. There's a framework called ITIL that addresses this problem, lowering IT costs and improving service. It's globally accepted as the blueprint for IT to deliver business value. ITIL redefines IT to deliver information services. This video explains the 5 key service cycles in ITIL by comparing them to service cycles in a restaurant chain. Creating a great restaurant chain is tough. The key business decisions that attract repeat diners, like atmosphere, cuisine, and price, are usually made by the restaurant chain headquarters. They call it restaurant theming. The innermost ITIL cycle, service strategy, is like theming. It provides processes that bring the enterprise and IT together to make the business cases and set the business goals that define what IT will do. When the theme is defined, the menu has to be designed. That's the chef's job. She has to balance ingredients, production, costs, and suppliers, so every location delivers great, consistent meals. ITIL calls this service design, defining information services that meet business case requirements while balancing overall enterprise needs. With a chain menu defined, the kitchens don't just cook up all the recipes. They practice, prep, and document, so dishes can be delivered reliably as diners are ready. ITIL calls this service transition, where IT plans releases of services and changes into the enterprise for maximum business benefit. Waiters naturally focus on delivery. They know what each diner wants, what the kitchen should start next, and they own overall customer satisfaction. In ITIL, this is service operation, where IT resources, like the service desk, take ownership of delivering the information services the business is consuming and of any problems with those services. And just as every great restaurant has a maitre d' coordinating activities and keeping up the standards of the place, ITIL has a continual service improvement cycle to constantly measure and improve the business contribution of IT. ITIL goes beyond chain operation to global standards. ITIL-enabled organizations can move resources across the enterprise or source IT operations from vendors, like borrowing staff from a sister restaurant to handle a party. The processes, language, and measures are common. You can't run a great restaurant chain or great IT on a grocery store model, but you can deliver strategic business value with information services using an ITIL blueprint tuned to the needs of your business.